outline. So let's see the class schedule first. Refresh several times. I just I see. Yeah, now it's visible. Thank you. Yeah. You too got 1 choco point. Yeah. So download and let's see the class schedule. So class schedule shows the date and topic and reading, right? So reading list is here, and also reading list is in the assignment. And the other one is assignment due. So you have to check this class schedule and check, and due is always beginning of the class. Or if it's not the class day, then midnight of that day. And the remark side, I usually check the technical stuff, what you need to do in the technical stuff. And notable is next class, we will have guest speaker, 6:10 via Zoom. So I hope you come 5 minutes early. Those executive come 15 minutes early always. So that's the reason why I please come at 6:10. Then he will come around 5:50 and waiting for you, right? So we will start at 6 about the guest speaker session. Mr. Dave Gamble is the director in the finance transformation in JD Irving. So, and he'll explain how finance utilize computer in their department. And first 10 students who make first 10 question, 10 students who raise question will get 1 choco point. Yeah. So I hope you make. Anybody needs this chocolate over there? Okay. So I hope you make him excited so that I can invite him again next year. And this time he will come via Zoom, so no, you don't have to escort anybody. But and there are another guest speaker lined up, like the Honorable John Donlan, Minister of Health, will come. He's doctor, but also he's politician. So he is in the liberal, but he used to be your MBA, same as like you, MBA student. So he will talk about. He also used to be a former president of Horizontal Health. So this MB hospital president. So he'll talk about how technology is used, data is used in managing hospital. Another guest speaker is Pierre Andrew. He is the senior director of Center of Excellence in Supply Chain Management and Operation. So he is doing machine learning thing. So applying those AI-related technique algorithm to improve business process. So it must be interesting. That's and the other one is panel discussion. I'm collecting more members. So those former MBA students will come here and make a panel. Then you can ask how they prepare their job and the experience. So this is class schedule. So always check this class schedule. This is up to date in the D12. Now let's go to the outline. Course outline is in the left bottom panel, and download and open it. and read it, all of them. But if you scroll down, there is a final project. It's page 8, 9, 10. Basically, you choose your topic. Page 10 shows potential topic of the technology. So you choose a topic and group of people. So we are 37. So form of 7 or 8 people. So 2 group, 8 people, 3 group, 7 people. I only accept 5 group.
How many
So I only accept 5 group, and class size is 37. So divide by 5. I think it's 7 or 8. And there's a one, the handsome gentleman is virtually taking, right? Alex. So if those group who has Alex as your group member will get 2 choco points, because remote you have to virtually communicate. Alex is join to you guys. Okay, yeah, it's up to Alex and you guys, right? So 4 more, 7 or 8 people group. But important thing is today's topic due. So choose topic and post it in the discussion board. First come, first serve. So here discussion board, and there is a request to approve class topic. This is the one you have to post your topic. So now there is no restriction to form of work. Just find your favorite friend. No restriction, no diversity. Yeah, no diversity. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I guess you know who are good your favorite student, right? So form a favorite student, 7 or 8 people group. Request topic. So first come, first served. So first submit topic first to secure your group. Okay. So do it now, and let's take a break. So before you go into Ramadan break, you better form a group and post it. So yeah, I will give you 20 minutes break so that you can form and take a break. And I'm waiting for here. I only accept 5 group, not 6. If you happen to be 6 group posting here, I will not accept you. It's first come, first served. So send the topic first, then member later. Topic is in the outline. There is a list, page 10. There is a fourth
Sorry, I want it was good. So
Topic, can we pick
you want to
one topic?
top three.
Top three.
Yeah, then we need to approve one, the first one. Yeah, if already it's not already taken.
Hey.
I will close it.
What do you need to do in the project? Like, do you need to show something?
You do the research about one technology and make a presentation.
What technology are we using? What are the tools on that topic?
Yeah, in the outline, page 10 shows the suggest topic. So you do the research about that technology or application.
Group member now.
No,
Okay.
first, topic first. Topic first, so that you can secure the topic, then member later.
And I also including learning new
Cloud computing is take the send me topic first. Post in the discussion board. What's the discussion board? Request of final project copy. Start new thread. Yeah, just one topic is okay. It's not yeah, go ahead. Post it. Yeah. So, number 3, Microsoft.
Are we going to name the group? Are we going to give a name to it? I will just drop it on you.
Your topic. Topic is your Oh, you have to post it. Oh, we have to post it first. Come first.
Yeah. Outsourcing.
So outsourcing.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting only one group. One group. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, so those topics. So the project, what form is gonna look like? The group project.
Yeah, I'll explain it after break. So for now, I am finalizing group. So
Because we have
you are the last one. If someone else post it, then you have to join other.
okay.
Left 1 hour break. I'm checking if we have enough time. I want to check another question on the connection.
So the rest starts from 45.
Okay, enough. I will check. Can I?
So yeah, I will close the group. So business process reengineering. So business file group. Sorry, we closed the group. I'm sorry, you have to join us. We are looking for the file group.
Yes,
Hi, Professor. I need to change the keyboard to check.
So means some of this group are not.
Exactly.
They're not up to 7.
Yeah, yeah.
So what's gonna happen? Because there's
So sorry, you have to show they are not up to 7, right?
they are not.
So what it means is there are about 40 people that already you have some.
I'm sorry, first come first serve. So I told you.
Somebody else.
你们选了哪个 topic？
选了什么？
Let's see. We are 7. Yes, should I open? Can I add
Yeah, I think you should give me extra. That's not bad. It's a joke. And whatever you want to give me, it's fine. This is yours. Yeah, keep it. We don't need this.
So
Teach you. Okay. So first we need a entry. So it's
where
not
where
here. So this one, this is the keyboard in this part.
paper is
So we don't need to remove this. We want to be automatic. There is there are words a small keyboard here, next here, but you need a select and then on here. HDMI 2. So that will automatically screens.
thank you. Thank you very much.
But I need to find
You see
you are here.
perfect. No, that's the
Check the host. We already sent it to you. And we are with Alex, the
we have
guy
8
online.
people.
8 people. And we have Alex is part of us, the online guy. Yes, yes, people should go.
Can you clap, guys?
Yeah, that's all. This one, the very first one.
Left timestamp. This is
This one, yes.
older. This is later.
No, 7:34, that's 7:36, we came earlier than them.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is 7:30.
Yeah, 7:34, yeah, timestamp.
No, no, this is 7:34.
Yeah, we are earlier. See?
What you don't make?
No, he must sign. No, no. It's not person. When you sign, somebody will sign.
Cross can you show them? Somebody submitted repeat 1 of 3.
After the third copy. We have all of it.
No,
It's odd because so it's one. So you say
So I have.
I would say that why also you have to let them get to people.
There are only 2 people.
Yeah, so I can correct more.
No, we have 8 people. Right?
So the immigrants are
Sorry, stop.
immigrants. Prof, thank you. This is good.
Yeah, I think Steve might say.
I will say, let's not. Okay. So. Computing. Cloud computing. How many people do you have?
we are 8.
Oh, good. And business analytics, how many?
6.
We need at least 4 more. Microsoft Service Copilot, 3. You need more. Outsourcing, 4. You need more. EPR, 8. EPR, good. So you need more people. And let me explain about final project more. So, yeah, you can. Mute it. First of all, I hope you make your presentation very hilarious. Make it fun, entertaining, interactive. So if you think this topic is too difficult to make that way, change the topic.
This can be changed.
And read this page 9. Where? Can you reduce the summary? So read the page 8, 9, because there is a deliverable and things. And the criteria is, we just need your presentation. Presentation should be interesting. So you have to find funny video. And also you need to include skit. Skit means act, yes.
Are we the actors?
Yes.
The group members are the actors in this. Wow.
And also, I do not allow you read cue card. I hate that. So I practice eye contact. 3 seconds this, 3 seconds this. If it is difficult for you to staring other's eye, staring at their nose. That's my tactic. So these 5 is criteria. You have to, it should be interesting, easy to understand, and also useful. And also you have to include skit, music, game, video, funny video. Total 25 minutes. So you have to practice. You need to keep within 25 minutes. That's about the final project. Any question about final project? Okay, you are supposed to submit by April for 1 or 2 page outline. The guideline is in the discussion board already, so read it. And 28 is presentation. There is no report requirement, just submit slide. And class start on time, so please come 5 minutes early. And I do not allow you read the text, send the text during the class. So make it silent mode. And if you want to read or text, send the text, quietly go out and send and come back. I wouldn't mind it. Participation account for 10%, right? You will get 0 participation mark if you do not participation paid, or I don't know who you are. So that's the reason why you need, show your name 10th. And it is possible you get negative participation mark if you, for example, you always make noise, or if you do assignment for other course in my class. I really don't accept that kind of behavior. Previous class participation mark is 2 to 10 points, so 8% difference. It's 2 grade difference. So you make insightful question, but also every class I will ask you submit something in the submission folder. That's important part of your participation. And also frequency of choco point. How many times you submit choco point form? That's also count of your participation. And in the final project, we will employ peer evaluation. And your peer, your group members, highly evaluate your contribution to the final project, then I will add more mark to the participation. And as I told before, I hope you bring 2 or share at least between 2 students 1 tablet. So you can see my demonstration just watching tablet. This is very difficult to follow if I do demonstration. So consider it. I think cheapest one is less than $200. So consider buying one. Yeah, I do not have textbook, so think it is textbook, so buy one now. And also you need cell phone, smartphone, because I sometimes use paulev.com Kim7 and also Cow Game. And you need to install Zoom client, Microsoft Excel, Tableau Desktop, Naim, Lockdown browser. And as in the email, if you complete all 7 tasks before the class, you can claim 30 Choco point, right?
How do we, the choco form, where we do?
A Choco point form, good question. Choco point form is in the go to the content, and the left side there is a Choco point form and practice log. So here Choco point form. So you can download and fill out this form. So date, your name, and reason, make detailed reason and number of Choco points you want. And submit that Choco point form to the submission folder is assessment, assignment. And I think second or third one is Choco point. Sure.
Or we just submit by every class.
Very good question. So you have to submit every class, every time you receive it.
Yeah, for example, you said I got that 2 point.
Yes, you make a form.
I just claim it by
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah. And if you pass this weekend, then you cannot claim
Every week.
every week.
It's the first game that we play.
You got 2 Choco points, and yeah, you are captain, so you are 3 Choco points. And you, photographers is different, right? Photographers is, I think it's six unique photo is 1 Choco point. Yeah, speaking of those the volunteers, let me see. There is a maximum volunteer number, right? So let me check. And things to the first class, that's you can see the Choco point and install the stuff, and welcome committee is up to 3. So there are many, but we come always first come first serve. Omeja and MD Emian and Jennifer. Yeah, those 3 are welcome committee. Those others are sorry. But you applied, so I will give you 1 Choco point, but you are not welcome committee. Sorry, and now next one is class photographer. Yeah, class photographer is I need up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 is okay. Everybody in this start taking photo and upload it in the class photo folder. Yeah, and you can claim after every 6, then 1 Choco. So up to, I think it's up to, there was a maximum 30 Choco point. That means you can upload up to 180 photo. Of course, you can upload more, but you can claim only. And the other one, class note taker, I need 2. And there are many, but first 2. Oye,
Florence, for sure.
Florence. Yeah, Florence, you are note taker. Are you willing to do that? Yeah. Miriam? Yeah. Are you willing to? I think here you have to mute something. So all others, sorry about that, but you got 1 Choco point. Class record. Currently, Mandy, you are recording, right? Mandy and Miriam. Where is Miriam? Are you recording now? Okay. Jimin is you, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So 2. Good. Both. I mean, the reason why I asked 2 recorder is I need 2 recording or same recording and post it to the link to discussion room. Not alternate.
Not alternate, it has to be.
Every
class, you need 2 of it, so we'll always.
Yeah.
Over that.
Yeah, first you have to record in the Zoom, and after finishing the meeting, then it will be converted to MP4 file. Yeah, then upload it to YouTube, your own YouTube channel. Then get the link and post the link in the discussion board. Yeah, D12 discussion board. So student can watch the recording again. Recording classes. Maybe if you want, I'll create 2 separate links or just post here. Yeah, post here. So we always have 2 sets.
For that competition, that group can have 2, our group have 1.
One. And I will spend right after class. There is no specific office hour. If you need individual talk or private talk, you can send me email. Then we can meet via Zoom. My previous time is after 10 p.m. and do not turn on video. I will not turn on my video because I'm almost sleeping. So, but without turn on video, we can share the screen and solve the problem. And this is important. Whenever you want, send me email. In your subject line should be MBA 76 or for Monday 76. This is very important for me because I'm currently teaching 4 different courses. If you send without identifying your course, I don't know where you are come from. So wasting my time to checking 4 different class lists. Second, I receive many spam. So I do not open unless I know the sender. And this MBA 76 for Monday is secret code between you and me. So I can confidently open this is student from student. Can you do that for me? Thank you. And class schedule is subject to change. So always check the latest schedule in the D12. Okay, so now let's go to the content. Everybody go to the content and lecture slide 1. And let's go to the 1-2 is the Excel file. So download this Excel file, 1-2. Down. And related video is 1-124. So you can watch video about this part if you wanna study in. Spread. Sorry.
Yeah, just a spread.
Yeah, but then give it back to me. Okay. Let's we are distributing this 1-2-2. So if you this is just key sequence. Return it to me, so for next class. Any leftover, give it to me. It's under the lecture slide. Under the lecture slide. Okay, so were you able to download? Sorry? It's, you mean protected?
The video or the document?
1-2-1.
This first.
Spreadsheet, yeah, this is download this spreadsheet.
Oh,
Yeah,
downloading 1.21 and 1.22.
no, 1.2-1. 1.2-2 is this printout. And 124 is video. So if you wanna watch again, then watch this video. Is it clear? So let me check quickly. I never used Microsoft Excel before, so please raise your hand. Everybody at least use once.
Excel.
Yeah, no, you never used Excel. Okay. But you use some other form of spreadsheet.
Yeah. I just started trying to learn Excel, but I have not, my line of work, I don't use Excel.
Okay, yeah. And you are beginner. You are beginner. Yeah, for Excel. Beginner. Okay, so I can make a formula. I can make a formula in the Excel. Many of you, great. So what we are going to do is, so let's open this Excel file, and there is a keyboard shortcut. This is keyboard shortcut. So I'll teach keyboard shortcut today. And there are several keyboard shortcuts we will discuss. And how many of you use Mac? Mac? Apple computer? Only 2?
For big voice.
Only 2? Anybody use Mac? Okay, thank you. 3? Okay, thank you. Yeah. Keyboard shortcut is quite different between Mac and Windows. So I give you, this is right side is Mac, left side Windows. And Mac's keyboard, let me make it a little bigger. Also window as well. If I said press function 4, F4, usually you have to press Fn key first and keep pressing and F4 together. Press and F4 together and finger off. And also in the option, we call it option and command in case of Mac. But in case of Windows, it's control key. Control is almost same as this command key. in Mac. Okay. So we will learn this keyboard shortcut today, and first keyboard shortcut is Windows D. Windows D. Let me show you Windows D. Windows D, and in case of Mac, it's F11 or function F11, right? So let's assume you are playing game at your workplace, and your boss approaching. What should you do?
Minimize screen.
So that time use Windows D. Do you know Window key?
Yeah.
Yeah, press Window key and press D and finger off. Let's do that. Window D. Then were you able to do it? Window D. Press Window, keep pressing, and D and finger off, two finger. And your boss went out. Then how? Another key is Window D again.
Yeah.
Window D. Yeah. So yeah, I'm approaching you, and if you yeah. And the other one is now next one is Alt Tab. Alt Tab is you wanna switch between two programs, then you can use, in case of Mac, it's Command Tab. So let's do press Alt key, keep pressing, and Tab key, and two finger off. Alt Tab finger off. Can you try? Alt Tab finger off. Then you will see the previous program, and you want to go back, then you can go Alt Tab one more time. Alt Tab. So if you see two programs interchangeable, one and then go back and come and go back, Alt Tab, Alt Tab. In case of Mac, it's Command Tab. Mac users, does it work, Command Tab? Yeah. And also, if you press Alt and Tab and do not finger off, then you will see all the program you currently have. So Alt Tab. Then you can use Tab key, tap, jump to another program and release. Try, and if you cannot do it, please raise your hand, because it's your key sequence might be. So you can jump one program to another program very Okay. So that's Alt Tab and Command Tab. And within browser, if you want to switch, it's Control Tab, or in case of Mac, it's Command Switch Shift and this right brace. So a little different. Let's check the close and save. Close and save this time. Close and save is Control S. First, Control S is save. And then comma means you have to finger off. If you see comma, finger off. So let's see, Control S, you just save this Word file and you want to close it, then you have to finger off first. Then Control W. Press Control key, hold the Control key and W and finger off. Let's do that. Control W, finger off. So Control W, finger off. Oh, what happened? Control W, finger off, then it close. You can use this one in the Word as well. So Control S, Control W, then go next. So try, and if you cannot do it, please raise your hand. It's okay. This is to increase your speed of operation. And so those companies' expectation about MBA students is MBA students must be genius. Second is they are very fluently use this kind of tool. So one way to impress them is using keyboards.
Very good.
Still, there are always in that workplace, there are several groups. So if you see them, then you just admire them. Then they will be happy and happily teach you. But if you have no idea about what's the Excel, what's Tableau, then they think they do not want to talk with you. Okay, so that's a few keyboard shortcuts. Now let's go to the setup tab. Setup tab. Click setup tab. And this Excel is based on row and column. So column number is this A, B, C, D, E, alphabet column. And in case of row number, we use number 1, row number 2, row number 3. So if, for example, if you want to tell about this red cell, we call column C row 5. So we call C5. C5. Yeah, everyone knows, but there's one gentleman. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay, then how about if you wanna like let's I will give you one formula, and let's say if you cover this range means group of cell, we call it this top left corner cell E7. This is E7, and bottom right corner cell. So E7 to G10, G10 means this group area. So let me show you. So E7 colon G10 means group of cell. From E7, can you find E7? So let me see. E7 is, sorry. Where is E7? Column E. Column E. EN7 and to G10 is G, column G, row 10. So we are talking about this area. Okay. So we talk about range. And now let's go to the key tab. Key B. Everyone is in key B?
Yeah.
Key B. And let's talk about home key. So now you see this paper. Number one is number one is move, but let's go home. Home means A1 cell. Let's go to top right left corner. That shortcut is that shortcut is control plus home key, or control plus function plus left arrow key. Control home or control function left arrow. So in case of Mac user, use control function left arrow. If you are Mac, you're Windows user. So I mean Apple user. Mac user, it's control function left arrow.
Oh, as a key, get FM to the button.
So try control function left arrow, and if you cannot go A1,
General sales. That's good.
so just control function left arrow. Then go. And you can click here. Yeah. No, I don't think so. Yeah, I always use control function left arrow. Control function left arrow, I think it's most of Windows also works.
Yeah, it does work.
Yeah. So I always use control function left arrow rather than home key. Home key is upper side, so it's difficult. So let's go control function left arrow. So let's go for home key.
Control.
Function left arrow, then you can go A1. Your cursor is going A1. If you cannot do that, let me know. I will teach you. Because so go to the click somewhere. The control function left arrow. Control, it's tricky. Control function left arrow. We go. So let's do. Let me try control function left arrow. So now in your case, say control. Control. And go to there. Anybody here?
Like, some of
Anybody have?
have different functions. If you have control, if control works for you, other way.
Yeah. So now first one is keybind. The first one is move. I know everybody can move using mouse, but now I want to do keyboard shortcut. Yeah. Why? It's faster and it preserve your muscle, and it's faster. If you keep using it, you will be faster and you can impress your boss. You can have extra vacation time. So let's do, first of all, can you see the formula first? P3. P3 means select P3 cell. Move the cursor P3 cell. And comma means finger off. And then Control A. Control A, then you will select total table. You don't have to use mouse. Control A, then you can select. And then copy is Control C. Everybody know Control C or Command C in case of Mac. Then you will see dancing ant is running. Yeah.
Control C or Control X?
Control C. Oh yeah. Control. Yeah, we are doing move. Sorry. Yeah. So escape. Let's do it again. Yeah. Click somewhere else. Yeah. And you got 1 choco point. Thank you. So let's do the move. P3, and then Control A. Then Control X to cut move. Control X. Then you will see dancing ant is running, and you are ready. Then move cursor to H1. 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 Then next one is Control V. Control V. Then you just move. Yes. Which one? What is your question?
Question is, you have to ask, you have to use the B3 cell. So the first thing is,
P3 is actually any cell inside of table. Yeah. So, but we, as an example, I click the P3. Good question. Yeah, 1 choco point. Do you have question? So now so you are successful. Show me this time. Show me this time, everybody. If you are okay, green button. Green button. If you are not okay, stay in red. Green button. If you need help, yes, it's okay. Yeah, but you can use this arrow key.
Oh, the exercise and then to choose.
Yeah, actually, P3 means any cell inside of
This thing is pointing.
Because this thing has pointed.
Why this thing was working?
I don't use it. I don't wait till there.
This is pointing. Let me continue.
We have to describe what you want.
I need to know this.
Which is the right me. Those like
Okay, Abigail. So let me check. Pichao. Let me check. Pichao. Do you have any question? I asked show green button then. And Deborah, are you okay? Show me green then. Here you are showing red. And Emeka.
I see.
Where is MP? Pichao. Show me green if you are done. So then the remove one of them. Do not show any color. Yeah. So then I don't have to check. Pichao. So remove red color. Yeah. Okay, thank you. And Emeka. And Ifeina. Ifeina, where is Ifeina? Yeah, show me green. You are currently red. Lydia, you need help.
I never
Okay. Who is Samsung SM? Yeah. So now, yeah, you just show one color. If you use two device and just one show color, the other one do not show any color, then I don't have to check, right? And so Samsung SM, who is Samsung SM? Yeah, so either you have to change the green color, right? If you are done. Yeah, then show me green color. So that we can speed up showing that. But there is, you have two. Yeah, the other one remove color. You show the red color. And there is a you need you I think you use smartphone. So just to show one of them as a color, the other currently you set the red color, so remove red color.
Change your name.
Can anybody help? Yes. This used to as okay, it's not you. I see. Okay, now let's do number two. Number two is undo. We accidentally moved it. So how can you undo? Control Z or Command Z?
Yeah. Perfect.
Control Z.
Awesome.
Control Z, then it will go back to original position. So Control Z is very, very helpful. You change the mind, you want to redo, then Control Y or Command Y. Can you do that? Control Y. Go back. Yeah. So let's undo. Control Z. That's number two. Are you okay?
Yeah.
It's helpful. Now let's copy. Let's copy the escape key, and let's select B3, and Control A, select all, Control C. If you see Control C, then the dancing ant is running. Then move cursor to H1. Yeah, you can ideally using arrow key, but it's okay using mouse for reposition. And Control V. I think everybody know this keyboard shortcut.
Yeah.
Then now, anybody need help? Raise your hand. This copy part. I think you already use it. Now let's see number 4, clear all. There are two methods. In case of Mac user, there is no keyboard shortcut, so you have to go to the Home tab. You need to go to the, let me see, Home tab and find this eraser icon and clear all. Yeah, use clear all. So use mouse. There is no keyboard for Mac, but in case of Windows, you can use Alt key keyboard shortcut. So when you see this one, when you see, in case of Windows, press Alt key and comma means finger off. Alt finger off, and then, so let me do the Alt first. Okay. So here, Alt key finger up, then you will see upper part, this menu shows several black character. Can you see? Yes. Then you can go to the home, type H and finger up. H finger up. And this.
Then you press H and you have a check box. You see the ALT. It's a
Alt HEA. So type E and finger up and A, and then you just erase it. So let me do it again. Yeah. So here, press Alt key and finger up. Then you will see this black. Then home key is H. So type H and finger up. H finger up. And then eraser is echo. So echo finger off. And clear all is A. So A.
What you last one?
So if you make sequence Alt HEA sequence, then you can easily clear. So let's do Control Z, Alt HEA, delete. Then you have to use mouse. Go to the home. Yeah, in case of the Mac, No, you have. Which one? You have to, if you wanna, first you have to select the area you wanna clear. Yeah, so, and you click on. That's the why.
Who said that?
Bingo.
Professor,
Yes.
what's all kinds of math? I showed them. Okay, first me.
So yeah, unfortunately, in case of Mac, there is a no Alt key shortcut. But Windows, it is very useful because you don't have to use mouse, just to use Alt key. Then you will see you can navigate every menu on the ribbon, right? And so if you keep using this Alt HEA, memorize or write down, and keyboard direct, then you can speed up.
But when we want to plan something we've done, that's when we use the.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, now let's go. Number 5, phase 2. Yes.
For people using Mac, how do they do this?
You use mouse. No keyboard shortcut. Alt key shortcut is only for Windows. Yeah, because Excel is made by the Microsoft. They always put right function, and this is closely related to operating system itself. So that's the reason why we cannot generate Mac. So number 5, paste with option. We just copied, but now we wanna copy just value only, number only. Then let's go to the B3 and Control A and Control C. That's the same. Then move to the cursor to H1, the insert position. Then there are 3 ways. My recommended way or exam is Control, in case of Windows, Control Alt V. 3 key, Control key, Alt key, V key, 3 together and finger. Control Alt V. Yeah, you can see the number 5. Control Alt V, then you will see this pop-up menu. Yeah, in case of Mac, it's the Control Command V. Control Command V. Does it work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then choose value. Yes.
In the number 5.
Number 5, yes.
Okay. The next one. Is H1.
So you choose value only and click OK. Enter key. Then you will see value only. So let's control Z. So let's do it again. Dancing Ant is still running, so you can skip that part and click H1 and Control Alt V using two hands. Control Alt V, and you can see and choose value and click OK. Let's do it again. Another method. There are 2 more methods. So let me show you, but which one? But because it's hard to remember, you just use this one. That's okay. But those who are very good at, there is another technique. Is you just use Control V and finger off, and Control key finger off, V key finger off. Control key and V key.
Control.
Finger off, V key, finger off. So let's do it again. So first of all, Control V, just face. And there is you have this control option button here, right? So press Control key and finger off. Then this option will appear, and you know V is the value only. So type V, and if you get used to this, is quite fast one. There is another way. Another way.
Control K.
Press Control and finger off, and press V, victory.
Control V. For values.
Yeah, values. Yes. Now let's do it again. Here, you know you are going to do value only. Then Shift Control V3 together. Shift Control V together. Control V together. Then it goes value only. So last, this is fast, also fast. Control Z. Control Shift Control V together. 3 keys. Shift Control V together. In case of Mac, there is no this kind of option. So Mac use those 3 key and choose menu. This is not included here. Now let's do Control Z. Control Z or Alt HEA. Yeah, clear. Now let's do number 6. Number 6. Number 6 is paste option with value and number format. This time copy number and comma separator, $sign, but remove color. That's the number format option. So number format option is first B3 and select Control A or Command A and Control C or Command C. Then move the cursor to H1 and Control Alt V. Yeah, and also in case of Mac, it's Control Command V. We use Control Command V. In case of Mac, use Option Command V also works, in my opinion. Then here you can choose format and number format, formula and number format. Choose this one. Formula and number format and click OK. Then you copy, but also it shows 1000 separator and also $sign. If you are okay up to this step, show me this time red color. If you need help, raise your hand.
Yeah, the command, it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah, 6.
It's not. It's not.
Which one?
It's not.
So that's better and the number from your formula. This is functional.
Numbers. Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay, then let's go to number 7. Number 7 is, you need help?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's go to the number 7. Number 7 is same. So let's first of all remove this left side part. Let's do transpose. So first of all, remove this part. So using this mouse or Alt HEA, clear all. Now let's go to the B3 and Control A or Command A, Control C or Command C, and move cursor to H1 and Control V and Control key and finger off, and this time T, type T. T is transform. So let's do it again. So after select and Control A, Control C, then let's do 3 key approach. Control Alt V together. So H1, Control Alt V. Then you will see the same menu. There is a transpose. Transpose and click OK. Then your row become column, column become row. So just remember Control Alt V, then you can choose option, different option. And in case of Mac, it's the different key, Command Control V. Now go to the number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Now I will click F21. And you wanna make a sum here. Keyboard shortcut is Alt equal. In case of Mac, it's
Mac is wrong.
wrong.
Mac should be Shift Command and T. T for total.
That's old version of Mac. New version is Option Command equal.
Maybe.
Maybe
See,
that's the old one.
even I typed this is the same as Oh, okay. Yeah.
Those one are easy to
So for example, if I take this. If it's option, command, info, then it's it. Yeah, but if it's a command,
Your
Yeah.
version must be.
Hey, but online is also that. See the online.
No, I'm not
Yeah,
saying
yeah, no.
you're wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. Every mind microphone is different.
Yeah.
Very
It used to be, I changed it.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, thank
Yeah.
you. We'll talk about it.
Thank you.
So in case of sum, alt equal. Window user alt equal. And Mac is option command equal. So let's try. Let's go to the F21 and let's do alt equal. Then you will see instead of inserts, you don't have to type sum anymore. If you use alt equal key, you will see the area. Then you can do control enter or enter.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Sorry,
Number 8, sum.
Information.
So let's do it again, F21, and let's do alt equal, and the area is correct, right? So then enter or control enter. So you don't have to type equal sum, open the parentheses, right? So you just alt equal and enter. You can save several clicks. Yeah, in case of Mac, different option command equal, but some students suggest a different keyboard shortcut. Are you okay with number 8? Anybody need help, Rachel?
Number 8, can you take number 8 again?
Okay, so press position F12. Let's go select F21 and alt equal. And enter.
You have to type this alt plus equal option.
Oh, you go here, right? Anybody need help? Alt equal. And how about Mac? Some Mac user use different keyboard shortcut. Option command equal works.
This support before that we just does it only work for
Change the range, change your number. English.
Isaac, it worked for
alt equal.
if you just put a big one.
Just move. Oh, it's calculated here. Just move.
This is best. I mean, it's not very good.
Next area, just should be last.
Oh, that's
Sign in with the Google. Because this thing.
Wednesday, we have one, yeah. We have one here.
Let's do another sum. Another sum is December total. December total. So there is a long number. So let's do alt equal and option command equal. And this time the sum position is different. So move sum position to the H12, which is starting of the number, right? Then alt key is shift control down arrow, or Meg is shift command down. Shift control down, then you will see whole number is selected, and then shift enter, shift enter, shift key, press shift key and enter key. So this is number 9, number 9. See, let's do it again. C11, we are in the C11, alt equal or option command equal. Then use move cursor using arrow key and press position in A12, right? And next one is shift control down. In case of Mac, shift command down. Then you select all the sum area. Then shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. So let me do it again one more time. So first of all, select C11 and option command equal or alt equal. Then move arrow key position A12 and shift control down arrow key. Shift control down 3 together. Then we use shift enter. What if we just use enter key? Let's try enter key. Then we cannot see the result. So you have to click twice. That's the power of shift enter key. If you press shift enter, it goes one cell up. So you can see the title and result. I didn't alt equal give you sum. So let me do it one more time. So position C11 and press alt equal. And then move cursor to A12, which is beginning of some data. Then control shift down arrow key, shift control down 3 together. Shift control down. In case of Mac, Shift Command down, then Shift Enter key.
This down. This one. Alter plus. Control shift down.
Okay, now it's everything.
Alter move your cursor to them. Control shift down. Shift enter.
What I needed to do.
Shift enter.
Yeah, I know.
It's already time.
Now everybody going to exercise 3. Exercise 3, there is a January, February, March, April, May, June. Using Alt equal from January, start to it, yeah, Alt equal or Option Command equal, and move cursor to the top of the cells. Shift Command down or Shift Control down, and Shift Enter. Do it again.
Which one is it?
Do it again. Exercise 3. So now let's remove Alt equal. Think off. Are you okay? Then move cursor to the first data. 565. Yeah, you have to position. Then Shift Control down. Control down. And Shift Enter. So do the February, March, April, May, June total. If you get used to it, you can finish. Quickly. Exercise 3. Exercise 3 is the underline.
Yes. Yeah, 565. Do not shift control down. Shift enter, yes.
That you want it to.
So first, you select one of the. Oh yeah, you can do it.
This is fine.
Yeah, it's the beginning and one, two, article all equal is helpful, right?
Yeah.
So from now on, do not type in box of use article or option command before or arrow. Now let's go to the number 10. Number 10. Number 10 is jump to next non-blank cell. So let's go home. So let's go key B tab again. Go to key B tab. And let's go home. Control function left arrow or control home. Let's go home. A1 key. And now use control and arrow key. Try control right arrow. If you control right arrow or command right arrow in case of Mac, then you will see last non-blank cell. And if you do control right arrow one more, then first non-blank cell. You can go back to home. Control home key. So now if you go control right arrow, then last part of non-blank cell.
Apart from bringing you closer to where you were, anything specific about it, so you take it a specific column.
Control home.
You
You wanna go A1.
go to A1. That is specific.
You wanna go A1. So for example, when you see this one,
Nowhere, you are lost.
then you wanna go first to A1, see the whole data, right? So control function left arrow, then you will go A1, your cursor. And we are doing the control arrow key, right? So let's do control right arrow, See, so you will go either last non-blank cell or first non-blank cell, right? So click, then this is first non-blank cell. Control right arrow, then this is last non-blank cell. If you click, then you will go last column, XFD, which is about 100,000 column. This is big paper. So let's go back to control left arrow. Then first non-blank cell. Where is it? XFD. And then if you do control left arrow, then first non-blank cell. Again, then last non-blank cell of the data. First non-blank cell, last non-blank cell, first non-blank cell. Now let's go down. Then in the table, last non-blank cell. Go down, control down or command down. If you command down one more time, you will go next group of data's first non-blank cell. If you command down, then it's in that group of data, last non-blank cell. If you do one more time, there is nothing that it will go end. So number of row is over million. So if your data is bigger than million, you cannot use Excel. Then you need to use different tool. Big data tool. So let's go home. Not home. A1. A1. So that's this one is very helpful if your data is big. And then, right. Next one is shift control. So it's same, but add the shift key, then you can select that specific row. So we are in the A1, shift control down arrow. Then you select just one column. So in case of Mac, it's shift command down. And if you shift command control right arrow, what happened? Shift control right arrow, then you select all.
Shift control down is to 7.
So just one column. Shift right is shift control right is one row. But this time we already select multiple row, so it choose one. Yeah. So you can select. Do you have question? No. Okay, so now let's move on to Kiwi 2 tab.
Okay.
Let's go Kiwi 2. Kiwi 2 tab, and first of all, in the A1, we wanna type sales and also make it bold as a title. So let's type sales and do not enter. Enter is inefficient. Use control enter or command enter. So let's do sales, then control enter or command enter. Then your cursor stay in the same cell. Then control B or command B. B means Baker. Then you just change the title bold. Sure. So in the go to the A1 cell and type sales and control enter. So that cursor remains on the same cell. And then Control V, B means Baker, Control V. So make it bold. Are you okay, guys? Do it again.
I guess the just wants the control enter. What does it do to the variables?
Good question. If you say type sales, then if you enter, then default motion is move down.
I don't just put enter. Since enter will still make it.
Enter, then you have to move cursor up to. So you add one more step. So if you use Control Enter, then you reduce one click. Now Control down arrow key. So then you will go H7 and 8 down arrow one more time. So you can position the A8. Then you wanna sum up. Sum up is Alt equal or Option Command equal, right? Alt equal and Control Enter. Do not enter key. Control Enter, then you will stay in the same cell. And then Control U, Control I. Yeah, it does italic and underline. So if you use Control Enter, then you can save one click instead of Enter key. Next one is, now let's go E4, Echo 4. It's number, is it number 3? Number 3, we are in the number 3. So let's calculate net income. Net income is revenue minus this expense, right? So let's make a formula in the Excel. To make a formula, type equal sign, and move cursor up twice. Then you can select E2. You did not type E2. You just move cursor position to E2, and type minus, and move cursor up one more time to select the expense part, E3, and again Control Enter. Then you will stay in the same cell. So you just make a first formula. I think everybody know this one. And now let's copy this formula to the right side. When you see this E4 cell in the bottom right corner, there is a small black square. Can you find it? Move cursor there. You will see your cursor change to plus black thin cross. If you move outside, it becomes thick white cross. Thin, thick, black, white. When you see black, click and drag right side, and you just copy the formula. Can you try?
No.
Done. If you need help, raise your hand.
Oh, yeah, yeah. This, sure we.
But if I'm good at my battery, my system battery will come out too early like this.
Now, so here, if you double click this E4, let's do double click E4, then you will see the formula. Double click, then you will see the formula. Formula is E2 minus E3. But if you move formula to F4, so let's double click F4. Then input was E2 was changed to F2. And E3 is changed to F3. So shift, this is default behavior of Excel. We call it relative reference. If your formula is changing the position to one cell right, then your input area also changes to one cell right. That's default behavior. Why we call it relative reference? Relative reference. Yeah, relative reference. Why do we do that? Because most table calculation need this kind of shifting. But now, in this, the other situation, like this part, here there is a Nike ball and price, and tax rate is 15%. You want to calculate tax. Then you make a formula in the M2, click M2 everybody, and equal, and then click L2, multiply is stomach, and tax rate, P2, right? Click P2. Is it P2? Yeah, P2, yeah. And you can control enter, then your calculation is correct. But what if you copy this one? Control C and copy to M3, then input area will also shift, right? So let's double click, then you will see the rate part. Red part is shift, so it's not what we want. What we want is the blue part is shift, okay? But we want to say, oh, Excel, do not shift this red part. How can you do that? You just insert $sign, row and column. So let's go to M2 again, double click. Instead of P2, insert $sign, $P. P means fix the column. Do not shift column. And in front of these two, add $sign. Then Excel understand this P and 2 will not change if you even they copy the formula. The position is fixed. So let's try. Control enter. Let's copy it again. Control C and Control V. Then it shows right position. So now let's delete this second part formula, and let me show you how to copy download vertically. Can you see this autofill, the small black square? If you move cursor, then it becomes thin black, right? When you see thin black square, double click. Double click. If you see thin black square, double click. Then it will copy down vertically. It's only 2, it does not matter. If it is 1,000, you don't have to drag all the times. You just double click. Yes. Let me take question. Take questions, anybody? You okay?
No, I think the.
Yeah. One is then just if you dollar P, then P is fixed. But roll number. This we call this is absolute reference. And this is kind of important concept whether you are beginner or not beginner. If you understand absolute reference, you are not a beginner anymore. So let me do it again. Now let me remove all of them. When you do make a formula, let's do M2. Everybody click M2 and clear. And equal, click L2. Click L2 and multiply. Yeah. Okay, so let's do it again. So go click M2. Everybody pay attention. M2 and click equal and click L2 so that L2 appears and multiply and click P2. Then instead of manually insert $, use function F4. Function F4, then it automatically insert $. Yeah, function F4. F4 is function 4. So I think you need to press function P and F4. Okay, function F4. You have function. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is very important, and we frequently use this. Now I will show you one movie video. Not movie, yes, very short video, and explain further.
Defenders out of position, sees the man, it's a lovely ball. Sultan daring Barca to cross. Defenders out of position, sees the man, it's a lovely ball.
Yes.
Can you see Messi's pass? Messi pass always. My pass is very good. So it goes in front of the player. So player just need to shoot. But if most player usually pass this way, so next player have to stop the ball and turn and then shoot. So let's use Excel like Messi. Trying to understand what's the next step, then move cursor to be just in front of the player. So using like Shift Enter or Control Enter. If you keep using Enter key, you always have to stop the ball, turn, and those extra steps. This is very small step, but in the long run, you will save your effort a lot. Yeah, so now let's see what is the dribbling technique, what we are using. You already know. Control Enter is you just keep the ball within position. Shift Enter is you one cell up. Enter is one cell down, right? And the other one is one cell right. One cell right is equal like let's see the formula. Equal 1 plus 1, that kind of formula. Then you wanna move your cell cursor to the one cell right, then tab key. Tap, then your cell one cell right. But if you wanna go back one cell left, then equal 1 plus 1 and shift tab. The shift tab, then your cell will go your result to one cell left. And we already learned you wanna stay in the same cell, then let's type 1 plus 1, Control Enter. Then you will stay and you can change the format immediately. You don't have to move up and change. And if you wanna go one cell up, then equal, let's some formula, then Shift Enter. So now you can position next cursor. Shift Enter, up, one cell up. Control Enter is remain, yes. Control Enter is your cursor is remain on the same cell. 1 plus 1, and you wanna change this font bold, make a bold, then you better use Control Enter and Control B. This is Control Enter. Can you get Control Enter part? No. Let's try. Yeah. If you one plus equals some formula, then you just enter. Then your cursor will go one cell down. Then you have to change the original formula to format. Then you have to move one cell up. But if you do Control Enter, cursor will remain in the same cell. So you save one click. What's difference in the Shift Enter? Shift Enter is one cell, cursor will one cell up. Purpose, yeah, well, purpose is in the exercise 3. you wanna, if you like article and you here, if you press Control Enter, you will see title and result. But let's do same thing. Article, and Shift and just enter. So you cannot see the result and you cannot see the title. So you have to move twice. Does it make sense to you?
Merci.
Yeah. Messi, no. So Shift. I think
Move. One cell down.
one cell down is just enter. Yeah. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. I hope it's helpful. If you keep practicing, at least they think you are not a beginner. You're using keyboards. But still you are beginner actually. So you have to take a little more, but this is basic. Why don't you save this file? Let me save this file. I will create another assignment folder. Save it and submit and claim 1 choco point. And let's say keyboard shortcut. Let me save it and let's put. Let me reorder. Yeah, you just save the Excel file you worked on and upload to this submission folder. Then you can claim 1 choco point. On the submit assessment assignment, and there is a March 17. So you are supposed to submit 3 things. Introduce, you already introduced. And if you can submit evidence of software installation, Word file, you can screen copy.
So what is sheets?
March 17th today, first shortcut.
Can we get 1 point?
This one is, you already got choco point, right?
Yeah.
So this is,
Okay.
no, choco.
So when is the deadline for submission?
This one?
All of them.
All of them tonight.
Tonight.
Assignment 1 is due next week. Good question. Assignment instruction is assignment instruction is in the assignment instruction folder. Yeah, before class. And good question. I will show you. So there is an instruction and there is a Excel file. And let me show you one submission of the student. Assignment 1. Maybe I better download.
How many choco points?
Which one? 1 choco point. I think. Oh, just a second. Let me see. I think Alex Boyd. Okay, so Basically, you need to share your screen. First of all, open new Zoom meeting by yourself. Then share your screen and voice. And then do this operation and make a recording and submit to the YouTube and get the link. So let me show you quickly. Let me stop sharing. And first of all, you open